Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. If you're new to our channel, welcome. Here at Mad About Skin, we're passionate about helping you to get the most out of your skincare. So if you haven't already, now's a fantastic time to click that link below, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell, and you won't miss out on any of our amazing future content. Now, today's video, we're going to be doing one of our much requested single product reviews. It's a short, sharp, focused look at one product in the skincare world, one product only, getting to the bottom of what the pros are, what the cons are, and whether it's worth the splurge. Today we're talking about this. It's the INKEY List Retinol. This product has been all over the web. It's on TikTok, it's on Instagram, Twitter, and here on YouTube. Everyone is going mad for it. But there are those haters out there, and so I thought what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my passioni retinol cream by Drunk Elephant to one side. That's my go-to retinol. Putting that to one side, and I'm going to be testing this product out for a full month. Now normally I would do a 1 week try on of these products, but because retinol takes a longer period of time to really show efficacy and the results, I wanted to give it a fair assessment, and so I've tried it for a full month. So this video is going to be short, sharp, and to the point, and we're going to be talking about the pros and the cons on what I think of this product. Now, let's just start with that I bloody loved this product. It is so rare for me to come on and say, not being able to pick. I'm a perfectionist. I like to pick holes in products, but I'm genuinely speechless when it comes to this product. 10 out of 10. One of the few products I would genuinely say I can't see me using any other retinol from now on. So anyone that's been on this channel before knows that I'm addicted to the passioni retinol cream. That's £99 here in the UK. That's a lot for 3 months supply. This is £9, so 1/10 of the cost for about 2.5 months supply. That price difference for what in effect I think are very similar products is amazing. So let's just really get straight into it. So I've been using this for the past month. It's a lightweight serum. Yeah, I'd say it's serum. It's more serum than it is gel-like in consistency, but it's definitely not one of those retinols that comes in a really heavy and occlusive cream. Now, I've got super oily skin, so I love to have a more lightweight retinol, particularly because the sun is shining. I've got the curtains closed because the sun is beaming in here in the UK, and so on an evening, it's quite warm, and I don't want a really heavy, thick mask on my skin as I'm going to sleep. So the consistency of this is absolutely beautiful. As with all retinols, you'll use it in the evening and follow it with an SPF in the morning. Let's start with the negatives, because there's very few, so I might as well get them out of the way. I don't know what the strength of this is. They're not particularly transparent out in the INKEY list with their concentrations and the strength of the product in a way that, say, the Ordinary are. So I don't know what the strength of retinol is here. Now, I've used retinol long enough to be able to sort of compare and contrast, and I would say it's on a par with the granactive retinoid by the Ordinary. I love that product. It's a mid-strength retinol. It's suitable for most skin types, I would say. I am a very established retinol user. I've been using it for 7 years, so I knew that I'd be able to use this product every single evening and I'd have no problem with it. Because it's a mid-strength retinol, if you are new to retinol and this is your first sort of go at retinol, or you've used it before but not for a while, I would say use this once a week, then increase it to twice a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week until you're using it every single evening, because it is that mid-strength, so you don't want to go in full every single evening because you will get that redness, the peeling and the irritation that retinol can cause. So that's the one downside. They're not very transparent about the strength. That is it for the downsides. Now the pros. The formulation is gorgeous, honestly. Like, it's so lightweight, you barely know you're wearing it. 10 seconds and it's soaked into the skin and you're ready to go. It doesn't leave, like, as you can see, I've got white bed sheets. It doesn't leave yellow marks on your bed sheets like the Ordinary retinols sometimes do, and I really hate that. It sinks in, leaves without a trace. Gorgeous, gorgeous product. Also, the INKEY List pride themselves on their formulations being able to be used at any stage in their skincare routine. That's really innovative. Normally, I say you have to have a very set order of the products and how you use them. This can be used at any point in your evening skincare routine. Obviously after cleansing, because you don't want to be washing it off. But after, it doesn't really matter. So for the novice skincare user, that's phenomenal, because a lot of people say, well, I don't know where to put it in my skincare routine. You don't need to. You can put it anywhere. Cleanse, then add your serums in whatever order you want in the evening. This product will allow you to do that. It doesn't pill, it doesn't peel, and it doesn't ball up when you put other products on top of it, which is absolutely gorgeous. One of the huge selling points for me is it is fragrance-free, cruelty-free, and colorant-free. I really think those three things should be the gold standard in 2020. You know, we've kind of moved on from the need to test on animals. We've moved on from the need to everything smell like a tropical island. And as for colourant, I never knew what the point of that was anyway. But it's free from all of those things, which means it's great for people that might have sensitivity to those products, but also just people that want to take some of the nasties out of their product. I'm not saying this is the clean beauty craze. I'm just saying if you want to strip out some of the unnecessary things in your skincare routine, the INKEY List in general is fantastic for that. And this product doesn't contain any of those. So for me, that's a great. Another pro is just that price point. I mean, it's so accessible to everyone. It doesn't matter what your purse will stretch to, you will be able to afford this product. And I think that's really, really important, because my ethos is always skincare is not a luxury. It's something we should all be able to afford. And the drugstore really supports with that, which is why I love the INKEY List. I love The Ordinary. I love that they've really changed the industry and made the industry change to focus more on ingredients and less on bold claims that they can't substantiate and gimmicks and marketing ploys. It all comes out. Look at the plainness of the packaging. All comes down to what's in here. I'm raving about this, not because it looks attractive or makes me want to use it. It's because it works. So I would definitely say, if you're new to retinol, give this a go, but start gradually, work your way up. If you've already got a retinol, you might be paying too much for it, because honestly, I would give this a go, and I would just use it like for like for your current existing retinol, because it's that mid-strength, it'll fit perfectly into anyone's routine. And honestly guys, it is so rare for me to give a product 10 out of 10. I also gave 10 out of 10 to their oat cleansing balm. I'll leave a link there if you want to check out that video I did. I'm not sponsored by the INKEY List. I wish. If INKEY List, if you're hearing, send me loads of products. I'm not actually sponsored by the INKEY List, but I just love their products, and I think I've got to come on and I've got to share it with you guys and tell you how amazing it is. Now, because I love the INKEY List so much, I'm going to do a fantastic giveaway. It's summer, I'm feeling generous, everything's quite negative in the world right now, and I want to be able to celebrate, just lift everyone's spirits and entertain, but also to celebrate some fantastic products. So I'm going to be giving away one of every single item in the INKEY List line. Now, tomorrow I have planned a full review of the INKEY List from top to toe. Every single product is covered. But today I'm going to announce that giveaway, and that is you will win every single product in the INKEY List line. That's all 24 products coming your way. Sounds really generous, but they're all really reasonably priced at the drugstore. But you know, still, you're getting some amazing products that are going to really just supercharge your summer skincare routine. All you've got to do to enter, leave me a comment below. What do you think of this product? Have you tried it? Will you try it? Let me know what you think. Follow us on Instagram @SkinMad, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Till the next one, take care. Bye.